Hello, welcome back to ReddyControls. Do you need to convert text into numbers or numbers back into text inside your PLC? Let's break down the 6 ASCII conversion instructions every Studio 5000 programmer needs to know. These instructions are used in barcode parsing, label printing, or sorting conveyor machines, or getting machine IDs, TCP messages, basically anywhere your PLC needs to work with text. I once spent an entire shift debugging a palletizer barcode because the barcode was ASCII text, but the PLC expected a DINT. One string to DINT instruction fixed everything. Let's see that. So I'm going to insert a instruction called STOD, which is a string to DINT. So in this video, we're going to cover all these 6 instructions. So to begin with, let's do the string to DINT. So we choose string to DINT, and I created a test string already, and then we want to move that into a, say for example, box number, right? So what I'm doing here, when you assemble this one, what this instruction does is it's going to, when executed, it's going to look at this text string and converts the first set of numeric characters to an integer value, right? So since I have a AA356, it went in and captured the set of first numeric characters. For example, if this has thing, it gives you all of that. It also is useful if you have a carriage character like a dollar and say 06587 and say AA1234. If you enter that, it understands that $06 is a special character and it will capture the first set of numeric characters. So all this STD does is it will get the first set of numeric characters from a given string. This instruction applies to compact logics, control logics, controllers, and all this STOD instruction. It converts the ASCII representation of into an integer or a real value. Next set of instruction is the opposite, which is a DTOS, which is a DINT to string. For that, let's say I have a string called product number. I have a integer called product numbers. We'll just make it a product number as a D, and we want to convert that into a string out, new string out, and it's a string. And if I put 345 as a product number, 3454 as a product number, and then assemble this one, it will give out a ASCII string out. So the DTOS instruction converts the value to a string of ASCII characters and places the result in the destination. This is useful when you are building messages or file names or batch numbers or operator prompts. The other instruction we're going to look at is, again, we'll just Control C, Control V, is a string to real. So STOR instruction converts the source to a real value and places the result in the destination. The instruction converts both positive and negative numbers. If the source string contains non-numeric characters, the STOR converts the first set of contiguous numbers into a decimal point. Let's see that with an example. Say you have a ASCII weight coming from a weight controller. We just call it a weight string. So if I have a weight string, and then we want to convert that to a real value, say we want to convert that into a weight value and make it a real. So if I have 1345.789 or 356.789 in the string, it will, in the ASCII, it will convert that into a real. This is essential for labelers, printers, or anything that requires decimal values. And the next set of instruction is a uppercase converter and a lowercase converter. So let's use the uppercase instruction. We call it as upper. All this does is it will take a string A, which is lower, and it will convert into a string B, which is uppercase, right? So we'll go ahead and create an A string, and we will put a small caps ReddyControls, and this upper will convert that into a capital ReddyControls. And the vice versa is for the lower. So if I do string B, which is uppercase, and I want to convert that into a lowercase, which is a string C. So we say new create, and we just call it lower and assemble it. So now what it does is it does the upper to lowercase. So with string to digital and digital to string and string to real, upper and lower instruction, and there is one more instruction which is real to string. It works similar but in the opposite way. With these 6 instructions, you can convert between text and numbers in any direction safely, quickly, and clearly. If you like this video and need more videos like this, please do share and subscribe to my channel. Which conversion instructions should I cover next? Do you want to have a full barcode sorting with string to decimal, or build formatted messages using RTOS and DTOS? Comment your choice below. Until then, see you in the next video. Thank you.